Hi everyone, it's Melissa with Sundream Succulents, and I have a fun holiday project for you today. I am going to show you how to make a succulent Christmas tree. These make the perfect gift or holiday decoration, and they're really easy to make, so let's get started. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a styrofoam cone of any size. You're going to need a variety of succulents. You will be using some moss, and I will be using these decorative elements to add to the tree. And finally, you're going to need a hot glue gun to stick the moss and the succulents onto the tree. Now I'm going to start adding the hot glue to the cone. And I'm going to grab my moss and firmly press the moss onto the cone to make sure that it sticks. It can get a little messy with the hot glue, so just be careful not to burn yourself. I just finished with the most tedious part, and that was gluing the moss onto the foam, but it looks great. And now I am going to start adding the succulent. So you're going to grab your succulent cutting and add some hot glue to it. And then you're going to place it anywhere you'd like on the tree. And you are going to have to hold on to the cutting until the glue dries. So just firmly push down. I'm done adding all of the succulents, so now all I need to do is add the decorative elements. I am all done adding the succulents and the decorations to the tree, and all I have to do is add the topper. You can add whatever you like, but I am going to add this cute little bird. This makes a perfect centerpiece for my table. If you want to keep your succulent tree looking beautiful, make sure to mist it once a week with water. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.